In this video, we're going to be looking at the topic of best buys. Here I have two shops. They have offers running. Shop A is currently selling 8 barrels at a cost of £6.88. Shop B, on the other hand, is selling 7 barrels at £5.81. I need to decide which shop has the best value. In order to do this, I need a comparative value. What I could do is buy the same number of barrels from each shop and then decide which one has the best value. So for instance, if using this offer, I bought 56 barrels from shop A and 56 barrels from shop B, utilizing the offer 7 times at shop A and 8 times at shop B, this would then give me a comparative value. Buying 56 barrels from shop A would cost a total of £48.16. Buying 56 barrels from shop B would cost a total of £46.48. Now, because 56 barrels cost less at shop B, this offers the best value. So with this technique, all I needed was a comparative value, the same number of barrels from each shop, as a way of comparing which one had the best value. The other alternative would have been to use the unitary method. If I can work out the cost of 1 barrel at each shop, I can then see per barrel how much I would save. So dividing 8 barrels by 8 and the cost of 8 barrels by 8, I get 0.8686p. If I then divide 7 barrels by 7 and the cost of 7 barrels by 7, I get the cost of 1 barrel, which is 0.83. Here you can see per barrel, shop B is 3p cheaper. So shop B has the best value. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So looking at each of the offers, shop A sells 9 barrels at £5.58. Shop B sells 7 barrels at £5.32. With this example, I'm going to use the unitary method. I'm going to work out the cost of 1 barrel in each shop. With shop A, divide 9 barrels by 9. Divide the cost of 9 barrels by 9. And I can calculate that 1 barrel costs 62p at shop A. Doing the same thing for shop B, divide the number of barrels by 7. Divide the cost of 7 barrels by 7, and I get 0.76p. In this example, shop A had the best value. I would save 14p per barrel at shop A.